International Advanced Subsidiary / Advanced Level, Core Mathematics C12, 2019 May. Answer all questions. The total mark for this paper is 125. Question 1. The fourth term of a geometric series is 125 and the seventh term is 8. So you do part A and you do part B. Part A, show that the common ratio of this series is 2/5. So here are the formula for a geometric series. So that's the n term, that's the sum of a geometric series, and that's the formula for sum to infinity. So you write the formula for n term, un is equals to a arrow to the n minus 1. So for the fourth term, n is 4. So u arrow to the 4 minus 1, it gives you 3. And that's equals to 125 because it says the fourth term is 125. And the seventh term is 8. So n is 7. So you have u7 is a arrow to the 7 minus 1, which gives you 6. So the seventh term is 8. So 8 for the seventh term. Now you got two equations, 1 and 2, to solve them. You divide equation 2 divided by equation 1. So the a's will cancel. And arrow 6 divided by arrow 3 would gives you arrow 3. So the cube root of 8/125 would gives you r. So r cube is 8/125, and the opposite of cube is cube root, and that gives you r to be 2/5. For part B, hence find to 3 decimal places the difference between the sum to infinity and the sum of the first terms of this series. So the first 10 terms of this series. So a arrow cube is 125. So a would be 125/r cube. And we know r was 2/5. So it's 125/2/5 cube. And that gives you a to be 1953.125. And the sum to infinity, we're using this formula, a/1 minus r. So a is 156. We substitute the values. 15625 divided by 8, which is your a, divided by 1 minus r is 2/5. And for S10, some of the first 10 terms, we are using this formula in blue at the bottom. A is 15625 divided by 8. That's for A. Bracket 1 minus r is 2/5. And n is 10 because we're summing the first 10 terms. All divided by 1 minus r. So when you do that, your sum to infinity would give you 78125 divided by 24, and S10 would give you 3254.867. Now the difference, it says work out the difference. Difference means you subtract them. The difference means you subtract them to find the difference. So S infinity minus S10. S infinity is that minus S10. Gives you 0.341 to 3 decimal places. What did one plate say to his friend? Tonight, dinner's on me.